Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a slanted shell stitch. Now this is a beautiful stitch pattern featuring some shell stitches and some post stitches. It creates a beautiful texture. This is the front side and the back side, so they're both very similar and quite reversible when it comes to working it in a project. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using a single color of yarn. I'll be working with the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet, and this is a worsted or a medium weight yarn, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Down in the description of this video you will find the direct link for the free written instructions, which can be found on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. Also down in the description of this video, if you enjoy learning crochet stitches, I have a new book out called Intermediate Crochet Stitches. This is a collection of 102 crochet stitch patterns celebrating texture and color, featuring large color photos and a large print. Also space for you to plan and start designing your own crochet patterns. That book is available in paperback, hardback, and ebook copy. And again, you can learn more about it down in the description. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Our stitch today is worked in rows. So we're going to start by making a slip knot, and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 5 stitches plus 3. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 23. There's 20, which is my multiple of 5. 1, 2, 3, plus 3. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, you're going to work a double crochet into the first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into your next stitch you're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, and double crochet all back into the same stitch. Skip the next 4 stitches. You're then going to repeat that into your next stitch, work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and double crochet back down into the same stitch, and skip the next 4 stitches. Repeat that all the way across until you come to the final 3 stitches. When you come to the final 3 stitches, you're going to finish off by skipping the next 2 stitches and working a double crochet into the final stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 3, we're going to work a double crochet into the first stitch. You're then going to work a front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch. To work your front post double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook in front of your work and insert your hook from the front, around the back, and out through the front again around the post of that next stitch. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your front post double crochet. You're then going to work into the next chain 1 space, and you're going to work 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and double crochet back down into that chain 1 space. Skip the next 3 stitches and then repeat around the post of the next double crochet. Work 1 front post double crochet stitch, then into the next chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and double crochet back down into the same stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches, front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch, into your chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 1, double crochet back down into the same stitch, and repeat all the way across until you come to your final stitch. When you come to your final double crochet, you'll have skipped the next 3 double crochet, and just into the top of your final stitch, work 1 double crochet into the top of your final stitch. You can then chain 1, turn your work. Now for row 4, we're going to double crochet into the top of our final first stitch, front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch, and into your chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and double crochet back into the same chain 1 space. You're then going to skip the next 4 stitches. There's 3 double crochets and your front post double crochet. Work a double crochet around the post of the next stitch, and then into your chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and double crochet back into the same space. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Until you come to your final stitch. When you come to that final stitch, you're going to finish off by skipping the next 4 stitches and working your double crochet into the top of the final double crochet stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat that row 4 for as long as you would like, then fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's how you work this beautiful slanted shell stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.